What looks ordinary here is worth millions worldwide.
Behind closed doors, a hidden industry shapes global wealth. This is how camel skin becomes an industrial product. Every industrial journey begins long before machines start to move.
Quality is decided at the source, where experience replaces guesswork.
Controlled movement ensures safety, traceability, and respect. Every step is designed to reduce stress and preserve material integrity. From the desert edge, the process moves toward industrial precision. Logistics is the silent backbone of industrial scale. Logistics is the silent backbone of industrial scale. Design ensures stability, even in motion. Raw resources converge where transformation begins.
Inside these walls, tradition meets engineered efficiency.
Scale reveals itself long before the first machine engages. Precision begins at the point of arrival. Separation from the outside world is immediate and deliberate. Clean environments protect both process and outcome. From this moment on, every step is engineered. The material enters a controlled environment, ready for refinement.
Cleaning is the first transformation, separating usable value from waste.
Machines apply consistency where hands once struggled.
Human judgment remains essential, even in automated systems.
From here, each grade follows its own engineered destiny. Rehydration restores flexibility before deeper processing begins.
Balance is measured in millimeters and seconds.
Precision machinery refines what nature provides. Uniformity defines industrial-grade material. Now prepared, the material is ready for its true transformation. Transformation accelerates where chemistry and motion combine.
Time and rotation reshape the material's future.
Form is set before strength is tested. Controlled heat stabilizes what movement has shaped. The material emerges ready for intelligent automation. Data now reads what human eyes once judged. Automation delivers accuracy at industrial speed. Every variable is measured, nothing left to chance. Protection is applied with scientific restraint. Many systems now move as one. Moisture is removed without sacrificing strength.
Texture defines the final touch.
Consistency is calibrated, not assumed.
Precision completes what processing began.
Only inspection remains between product and approval.
Every surface must justify its journey. Strength is proven, not promised. Safety and compliance define global acceptance.
Only certified material moves ahead.
The process now shifts from validation to delivery.
Protection ensures value survives the journey beyond the factory. Organization transforms output into inventory.
Storage preserves readiness for global demand.
And this is how modern factories produce camel skin products from start to finish.
Efficiency, precision, and scale define modern manufacturing.